What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. We're supposed to get snow today, and I'm gonna do something crazy. As you guys know, my truck is now four-wheel drive, and that's one thing I hate about this truck, not being four-wheel drive. And what we're gonna be doing right now is, first of all, I'm gonna go for gas. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm blowing gas. It's like right here. So I'm gonna go to the gas station and get some gas for my truck, fill it up all the way up, and then we're gonna come back to my house. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna load some bags full of, you know, sand on the bed, and I'm confident that that's gonna help me with the snow. Well, because I'm gonna have some weight to it, and that's gonna give me more traction. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know, we're gonna see how it goes. And well, it's gonna be in the morning. Tomorrow I gotta work, so it's gonna be in the morning. It's gonna be horrible to drive, but we're gonna get snow from 4 p.m. today. Around 12 is when it's supposed to be raining. But you know how the news are, they saying, okay, so we're gonna get so much this amount of snow, and then we're gonna get rain. It can sometimes, there's like a chance that it can keep snowing and not get rain. So that's my concern right now. So that's why we're gonna put some, you know, weight to the truck, and that's gonna help me out, like I said, with the traction and all that, because you know my truck is not four-wheel drive. I should get a four-wheel drive, man. Like, dude, I was thinking, you know, I should get a four-wheel drive, but when I saw this truck, I was like, nah, I don't need that. But now I need it. See the Subi right there? That's the Subi. I know many of you guys were asking me, hey, so what are you gonna be doing with the Subaru? I'm not gonna fix it right now. Second, I'm gonna be opening my own business in a couple months, and I'm putting all my money to the business right now, buying, you know, equipment, buying, you know, tools, buying, you know, things for the truck that I'm really gonna need. And you know, I'm gonna spend more than 20 grand just for the equipment and tools and all that. So I don't want to spend the money right now in my car. So I want to focus right now on my business, because that's something that I really want to do. And let's see how far we can go. I'm gonna push and push and push. That's what I'm planning to do. I'm not gonna stop, and see how it goes, you know. So we're gonna go to the gas station and fill it up, get back to my house, and yeah, and get those bags ready for the truck. Yeah, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so fun. It's like 9 degrees out, dude. You can tell it's like 5 degrees out. Well, 9. Well, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna catch you guys in a few seconds, all right? I catch you guys. So like I was saying, like, dude, like getting almost 20 inches tomorrow. Dude, that's crazy. Sorry, I have the GoPro mount over there because there's no way that I can mount it, like right over here somewhere. That's the only place where the console is like flat. So yeah, I hope you guys like the view. Hopefully we don't get that much, but I heard we're gonna get almost like 8 or 10 inches tomorrow. Well, today, because it's gonna start at 4. So man, that's a lot of snow right there. It's been crazy the last years, man. But it is what it is. We can't control the weather, you know. So many of you guys were asking me, so what kind of business I'm gonna be opening. And the first thing that came to my mind was landscaping. So that's what basically what I'm gonna be doing from now on. Well, not right now, because I can't do landscaping right now because it's cold. So I need to wait for the summer for that. And I need to buy new equipment, and I just got a new mower yesterday. It cost me like, dude, a lot of money. So I need to buy a blower. I need to buy a what is it called? Dude, I forgot. There's a bunch of things that I need to buy right now, but by the end of the month, I'm gonna have everything ready for the summer. And next week I'm gonna go see a trailer that a guy is selling on Facebook. He wants like $1,000 for that, so that's a good price for a trailer. This is more like, I don't know, like, I forgot how big it was. I forgot. But the thing is that I'm gonna start on April. On April is when I'm gonna start my business. So I'm excited for that. I'm so hyped right now. It always been my dream to own my own business, and hopefully by 2 weeks, if I do propaganda, like if I already have like business cards and all that ready. They're coming. They're on the way right now. I pay almost like $100 for a bunch of, you know, business cards. But I'm excited, man. I'm so hyped right now. So you guys want to see the truck? Oh, not the truck. The bags. Those are the bags that I was talking about. So that's gonna give me some weight to it, and hopefully I'm not gonna have any issues with the snow. And we got a couple inches like last week, but with this I'm hoping that it's gonna help me out. That's gonna give me some weight to the truck, like I said. I don't know if the tire is gonna help me out too. Well, I think there were snow tires, I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. I got a bunch of trash over here. Got a FedEx box. I got more trash over there. And yeah, I'm gonna clean it next week. I'm gonna clean the inside as well. I got a drink over here for tomorrow. You can see the GoPro mount over here. And yeah, I'm so excited. So like I said, hopefully everything is gonna work out for me. And you know, one day I'm gonna be big. My company's gonna grow. That's what I'm hoping, and I know I will. And yeah, I want to say thank you to every single one of you who watch my video and always there for me to support me and give me a hand. And I want to say thank you. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I know this video was not that long, but anyway, I had to make a video about, you know, the snow and my business and the crazy thing that I did, and you know, the bags and all that. But yeah, I want to see if I can, you know, get more free time and keep making more videos for you guys. And hopefully I can get more free time. That's what I'm hoping. I don't know. And yes, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.